Nima Sagafi, the referee, will get things underway here on this Sunday night at BMO Field with Richie Laryea kicking off for TFC. A TFC lineup without two of their three designated players. In for Morrow, who is playing on an advanced role down that left side in front of Ashton Morgan, who is the left back today. It's Auro. Way opens up a little bit for Auro. He has a cracking goal and it's well saved by Vega.
Corner, they then backed it in. What they're doing here is they're running extremely hard. They can certainly get into that and cause some problems.
Laryea trying to get round the back of Salinas. And Larrea's done really well there. The referee lets play continue. Great work from Laryea, and he drills it wide of the far post. Really nicely done by Richie Laryea.
And all of a sudden, they're forcing San Jose to come out of their shape, to come off that man-for-man way of playing.
It's Marky Delgado in round the back. He'll pull it back towards Laryea. Richie Laryea scores for Toronto FC. Larrea's first career Major League Soccer goal. And he finally gets his reward.
Yeah, there's the movement again. Delgado's been excellent. Running in behind. Finds the space. Brilliant pick out.
He's looking long, trying to find the run of Christian Espinoza, and he's done so with a wonderful pass. Espinoza up against Ashton Morgan, comes back for Wondolowski. It is tied up, and it's Major League Soccer's all-time record goal scorer who pounces once again.
That is absolutely clinical from Chris Wondolowski. The timing is just sensational. He's hardly kicked the ball, he's not been involved in the game at all. Doesn't matter. He's a marksman and a striker of the highest order. Just gets across Drummer, and Cooley just lurking, poaching as always.
Eriksson along the byline as he pulls that back towards the penalty spot. Somehow it didn't go in.
What a save.
Westberg denying. Christian Espinoza against Lima on the far side. Auro joining the attack. Laryea cuts inside. Still Richie Laryea. Pulled back towards Justin Morrow. Denied by Vega.
That's a brilliant save from Vega.
Support to the right side. Hits it against Jay Chapman as Altidore was in space further over. Altidore against Lima. The ball in. Delgado with a header, and it's just over the bar from Marky Delgado.
Should have scored. Great run again from Delgado.
Salinas stands this one up towards the back post. It'll come all the way for Espinoza. Driven across goal, and it's Wondolowski. He's got another one. It's 150 regular season goals for Chris Wondolowski, Major League Soccer's all-time record scorer, and he gives San Jose the lead in Toronto with 10 minutes left to play. Right place, right time.
Nothing else to be said. Look at him just standing in space. Now you have to question how a man with 150 MLS goals, all-time record.
We've played the 5 minutes time added on. Westberg launches it long. It's full time at BMO Field. Toronto's troubles continue. Beaten at home by San Jose Earthquakes.